Hi, today I am making a popular Sri Lankan snack quickly with just canned fish, potatoes, onions, and cardamom. I'll share some tips to cut your prep time in half. Stay tuned. First, cut the potatoes into small cubes, sprinkle a little water over them, and quickly microwave until tender. Now, mash your tender potatoes with a fork and get ready to add any flavors you like. I am using cardamom and grabbing a few curry leaves from my garden. Lucky to have this tree. Now, chop the onions and curry leaves and grind the cardamom. Heat up some oil in a pan, then add the onions first and let them caramelize a bit. Next, toss the chopped curry leaves, cardamom, salt, and pepper. Give it a quick mix. Now, add the onion mixture and tuna into the mashed potatoes. Mix everything together until well combined. At this stage, make sure to taste test your mixture to check if it has enough flavor, such as salt and pepper. Just seasoning according to your taste. Then shape the mixture into tight, round balls. For the coating, we need a beaten egg and some breadcrumbs. Here is the fun part. With one hand, dip each ball into the beaten egg, and with the other hand, roll it in the breadcrumbs until it's evenly coated. Dip each ball in oil and carefully place them in the basket of the air fryer. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and cook for roughly 12 minutes. You can open the basket and check the cooking progress. Cook until they are golden brown. Enjoy your healthy, high protein snack. Crispy on the outside, delicious on the inside.